Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss how long you should hold a plank for. The duration for holding a plank can vary depending on your fitness level, goals, and overall strength. For beginners, starting with 20 to 30 seconds is a good initial goal. As you become more comfortable and stronger, you can gradually increase the time. Intermediate individuals may aim for 60 seconds or more, while experts might hold a plank for 2 minutes or longer. It's important to prioritize proper form over duration to avoid injury and ensure maximum effectiveness. If you find it challenging, consider breaking the plank into shorter intervals with breaks in between. Remember that quality is more important than quantity, so focus on maintaining a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core muscles, and avoiding sagging or arching. As your strength improves, you can progressively extend the duration of your plank. Listen to your body, and if you experience pain or discomfort beyond normal muscle fatigue, it's advisable to stop and consult with a fitness professional or healthcare provider. Try to get a score higher than average by aiming for at least 2 minutes. You fall into a great group if you can maintain a plank position for more than 6 minutes. Additionally, you should concentrate on strengthening your core if you find it difficult to hold a plank for longer than 30 seconds. Practice 2 or 3 times a week to make your plank time better. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and keep challenging yourself. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.